Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today I am super excited to reveal the teaser of Sumadura Folium Phase 4 which is located right here in East Bangalore in Whitefield. And this project is developed by Sumadura Group. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of the project and this is the main entrance of Sumadura Folium. And once you enter, here is the massive land parcel and the towers. So they are operating their marketing office from the Phase 2 tower. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builder. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builder and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. Sumadura Folium is spread across 16.5 acres of land parcel, which is developed phase-wise. There are total of 4 phases, where phase 1 and phase 2 are sold out and handover. Where phase 3, we have only few inventories available and launching with phase 4, with 2 towers. Each tower of 2 basement ground plus 19 floors having exclusive 2.5, 3 and 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part of the project, and the project is located right on Ramagondanahalli Road in Whitefield, East Bangalore. So here's the main entrance of the project, and once you exit from here, you can connect towards the Ramagondanahalli Road, and this road will connect you towards Boreville Road. And over the opposite side will take you towards HAL or Airport Road. Now about the further connectivity and the location of the project. Swasthya Hospital is 250 meters away, Whitefield Main Road is 1.9 kilometers away, D-Mart is 3.4 kilometers, Whitefield Metro Station is 4.9 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project is coming up with world-class amenities like of here you can have a look. This is a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. Other amenities like of kids play zone, golf maidan, garden area, gymnasium, multi-purpose court and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area. So as mentioned here, phase 4 will offer you exclusive 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Where 2.5 BHK is 1615 square feet. Where 3 BHK starting from 1730 square feet to 2100 square feet. 3.5 starting from 1970 to 2150 square feet. And 4 BHK is 2420 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently phase 4 is in pre-launch stage. So we are inviting our clients to come and visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual tower, the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Sumadura Folium Phase 4 which is located right here in East Bangalore in Whitefield, a project developed by Sumadura Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.